Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 S line Quattro. It comes dressed in the stunning and desirable Daytona Grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of mystery, and at the time of this recording the car has done 41,233 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin-spoke star design in a diamond cut finish, making a bold statement. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the rear, the passengers have control over the climate control system and a 12 volt for charging, with plenty of head and leg space. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for those longer journeys. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in Maps to help you find your desired destination with confidence and ease, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the 3-zone climate control so both driver and passengers can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12 volt and USB charging point, the MMI multimedia display control pad, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and just under the armrest with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, 2 USB points, and the Audi Phone Box with wireless charging so no cables are required. This approved used Audi Q5 S line is now available and in store. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help.